It's Monday the 7th of April, looking at a weekly chart of the Euro. You can see we've been in a nice big bull pattern here for well over 6 months now. But more recently, the last few weeks, we've dipped back from this upper trend line. We'd expected it to top out here, and we did indeed. We've come back over the last 3 weeks. More importantly, we were looking on the short-term chart. This is the short-term 4-hour chart, at this potential head and shoulders pattern. So we were warning that we could start seeing lower prices in this pair, and indeed we have come down as far as 136.70 on Friday. So what happens next? Well, we're a little bit oversold on the short-term chart, so we could be seeing a little bounce. Well, we're getting a small bounce. We've got some short-term Fibonacci targets at 137.40, but I think if we get anywhere near this 137.85, 95 area, where we've got some Fibonacci and trendline resistance, that would be a great selling opportunity if we get that far today. I'm not saying that is going to happen, but let's just see if we can get at least as far as 137.40 on the daily chart. Let's see if that's giving us any clues. Well, getting a little bit oversold, but nothing serious, nothing to get too positive longer term about. We've got the 100-day moving average here at 136.90, so if we can just hold above there today, we can still target that 137.40 area. And see if we can get through there, as I say, possibly as far as 137.85, 95, but I think that's a good shorting opportunity. On the downside, the important level is obviously Friday's low, last week's low at 136.70. If that fails, well, we're going to keep going lower, especially as that would keep us below the 100-day moving average, if I can find it. Here we go. 136.90 would be the next, well, below 136.90, we're looking at the last week's low at 136.70. And then below there, well, there's not an awful lot to stop us hitting 136.40, 136.30, but there's quite good support there, and as we start to get quite oversold, we should at least see a low for today and possibly up to the midweek if we do continue lower to that area.